They sneeze all the time. If your newborn seems to be sneezing constantly, don't worry. It's usually not a sign of illness or cold. Babies sneeze frequently to clear their tiny nasal and respiratory passages of congestion, dust, or other airborne particles. Sneezing can also reopen a temporarily flattened nostril. For example, Dr. Curtis notes that during feeding, a baby's nostril might press against a parent's body. Once feeding ends, they may sneeze or take a deep breath to unblock it. It's just part of their body's natural process to keep their airways clear.